Hey guys, we're back on the road. I really enjoyed the hotel I was at. It was really nice to be surrounded by other German tourists and so on, and it gave me a sense of security. I really liked it. Sadly, maybe you can hear it, I've catched a cold and I'm currently suffering from a fever, and it makes continuing at the moment a bit hard. But I'm lucky, there are clouds in front of the sun, so I don't have to deal with the sun at the same time. And today will be a motorcycle road focused day. Today we will be seeing the most exciting roads for the motorcycle basically in Morocco. We will be going to the dandès gorges and to the Tijka, I think it's called. At the moment, I must be honest, I really miss home at the moment. I hope that traveling through the amazing mountains will cure my homesickness a bit. So guys, we're now at the dandès gorges. Continues over there on the other side, and we're still going through some villages in the area. I have to be honest with you guys, I'm at the moment sick and have a cold, and in general I'm now for over a month doing this, and it's constantly really hot. It's really tough on me. My nutrition is not good at the moment. I must say I'm a bit, when it comes to the traveling, at the end of my rope. And I mean, it's supposed to be fun, and it is. I really enjoyed the way here. I really enjoyed the Pyrenees. I really enjoyed parts of Morocco. But I think I will do this route here, the amazing motorcycle roads. That will be 4 hours of driving today, and then we'll get into the north of the country and maybe visit Casablanca. I'm not sure, because big cities are actually quite a pain in the ass with the motorcycle, especially here in Morocco. And then I will try to get the ferry back soon, I think. So I will still continue my trip. I will still go to the Tijka, I think it's called. I just don't have the confidence to lean the bike over at the moment, because I'm hanging on it like a sack of water basically. Also, with my YouTube videos, I kind of want to cache my chips basically, because I've recorded all this footage and have not edited my videos yet, because I just didn't have the time while traveling, and I lost the data on one of the hard drives. It was one of the safety copies, and everything was a bit wild the last few days. I'm just really worried about losing my footage basically. But it's really beautiful here, I must say. Honestly, when I pull over at the next gas station, it's hopefully one with a little convenience store, because I feel so bad, like if I'm drunk. Like, I'm driving 40 in those curves here. In the Pyrenees we were going like 70, 80, 90 in similar curves. Oh my god, those stones here are so beautiful. I think I'll pull over here and take a photo. I'm shortly having a little water break, because even though it's cloudy, it's still really warm. There were a few raindrops earlier. I'm still really done from being sick. We're now roughly 30 kilometers away from the Tijka. And it's supposed to be one of the most scenic motorcycle routes in Morocco, so I'm looking really forward to it. I had to pull over here because I was not feeling safe to drive anymore. Sadly, they don't have any food here, and the supermarket is closed over there, but I will have 2 cold drinks and then continue on my route and hopefully find some food on the way. Ça va bien. Et toi?
Allez, au revoir.
Au revoir. I'm pretty sure we will not be making it today to the Tizin Tichka, which is our goal for today. Because my headache is still quite bad, to be honest, and I didn't make many kilometers till now because of that. But I had a little stop to get something to drink and looked at my phone for a minute to kind of relax. And now had some pudding from a supermarket. Because the choice at the supermarket here is often really slim, because they're like, basically in Europe it would be a little convenience store. Let's try to run through this tank of gas and then call it a day. Even though it's hot, I'm freezing on the bike. It's crazy how often you see police here. They have so many of those little one-cylinder bikes here and mopeds, and they are basically using them like for just getting around. It's so wild because, like, I mean, in Europe we have countries as well that use motorcycles as like actual vehicle of use for commuting and stuff, but mostly it's for fun. And also the motorcycles we have in Europe are completely excessive with a lot of power, a lot of acceleration, and those things are just pure purpose basically. Damn, my head just hurts bad. I like at this moment I'm really fighting. I just want to be home at the moment, to be honest. So guys, it's now 7:30. I will get into a hotel and try to recover from being sick, and then be back to good health tomorrow. Bonjour, y a-t-il encore une chambre pour une nuit?
Oui.
Oui, c'est combien pour une nuit?
48 euros.
48? Ah ok, ouais, ça marche. Est-ce que je peux parquer ma moto
Oui,
ici?
bien sûr.
Ah ok.
Bienvenue.
Ah, c'est avec une petite whisky.
Do you speak English?
Yeah, I speak English. I just thought French is probably easier because more people speak it here.
Yeah.